What's up, future Japa queens? Your girl Queen Omar just spent 72 hours stalking 100 real Upe profiles on Great Upe. And what I found was shocking. Some profiles get 20 family offers in 24 hours, others get zero for months. And guess what? I've never been an Upe, but today I'm exposing exactly what makes host families fight over you versus ghost you instantly. Stick around because I'm giving you my free swipe worthy profile template. Link below. Let's get that visa and that bag.
Yeah, I'm the one that got the scene banging. And I go hard.
First, the cringe profiles families skip in 2 seconds. Meet Chain from South Africa. Firstly, the things missing from her profile. Most importantly, her photo. There is no photo, which is the first red flag. And the family won't even bother clicking on the profile to view the rest of the details. No introduction, no photo. The rest are okay. At least she has a passport, which shows she is ready. But there's no detail about her. Nothing that talks about her life, nothing that talks about her past experiences, which is supposed to be in the introduction. So, big red flag, guys. Big red flag. Next, let's see Zolizwa from South Africa. Her grammar wasn't good. She needed to proofread what she wrote on the introduction part of her profile. There are a lot of grammatical errors there. Added an irrelevant info, right? Because talks about her grandma is kind of oversharing, right? So we need to avoid that, guys. Next, we have Amy. Okay, let's look at the introduction. She said she's a first year student, actively studying, looking for a job. She says she's hardworking, loving, caring person. He says, I work with kids 4 times a week and just love being around them. She says she adapts easily. Okay. And she's a very fun person and will never back down from a challenge. Firstly, that part, I adapt easily, full stop. It seems vague. It shows that she might not be trustworthy. Yes. Another thing that might make families skip is the fact that she has no passport, right? So in her country, at least passport from her country, right, it doesn't show that she's ready, right, for international travel. It's a big red flag for international travel. This peculiar's profile from Nigeria. This is really blank. There's a blank photo, blank introduction, blank availability. It just shows this user or this Uper was pretty lazy about even setting up their profile, right? So this is big red flag, big skip for families. We need to make sure our photos, clear, good, front face smiley photos are there. Introduction are there. Introduction that talks about us. and what we do specifically, what we like, what we don't like specifically in our introduction. And availability shows like our schedule when we're available and when we're not available, right? That is the importance of this calendar, and it's blank, so it's no go area. Okay, so that is that for the cringe profiles that family would just skip in seconds. And I mean seconds, I mean just nothing more than 2 seconds. The next one, we're going to be looking at profiles that get hired, right? And there's this particular profile that just checks all the boxes, ticks all the boxes rather, and it is Lena's profile. I'm going to be using Lena's profile, Lena from Germany, as an example. Lena is pairing with her significant other. So they're basically a German couple applying to Asia, looking for Asian families, right? So in their profile, you can see that there's a cultural hook. And here where they say they're excited to teach your kids German traditions while learning Thai, right? It shows mutual exchange. Then they have specific skills. I mean, they put it there and they are being specific, right? As for Lena, she has 2 years teaching math to ages 6 to 12, and Giuseppe, I hope I pronounced that well, gives piano lessons and is a football coach, right? And they have a great storytelling. Their intro reads like a love letter. It's so warm and it's personal. Look at it. Let me read it. Okay, so she says, "We are Lena and Giuseppe, a couple from Germany, looking for a live-in au pair or nanny position in Asia. Hello, we are okay. Yes, a couple from Germany with a strong passion for work with children and a desire to experience everyday life as parts of a host family in Asia. We are both warm, responsible, and motivated individuals who are excited about the opportunity to support your family and be actively involved in your children's lives." Okay, now about Lena. She says she's currently studying at university and have gained extensive experience working with children of various ages. She says she has worked as a teacher in both primary and secondary schools in Germany and regularly babysit children. She loves creating fun education activities, helping homework, and being a reliable, loving presence in children's daily routines. Earlier this year, she spent a month abroad at a language school, which gave her valuable insights into living in another culture and strengthened her desire to explore new parts of the world, especially Asia. And about her significant other, Giuseppe, he is 21 years old, half German, half Italian. He speaks fluent German, very good English. He's a non-smoker, a confident swimmer, and very athletic. He regularly does strength training, boxing, and plays football, right? I am sorry. He also plays the piano and a bit of guitar. While he hasn't had formal childcare jobs yet, he loves being around children and he's known for being calm, patient, and reliable. Okay, he aims to be a primary school teacher in the future and working as an au pair is a meaningful step towards that goal. He also lives independently and you guys can read the rest. So it shows that this profile is top notch, and this is the kind of profile families will be fighting for, right? Yes, this is exactly a profile families will be fighting for. Everything is complete. They have passports. Yeah, Their availability, their table is complete. It doesn't show, it shows that they're hardworking and not lazy. Yes, and they made sure they ticked all the boxes. There's another profile, and it's Miriam from Zimbabwe. Her picture is, oh my God, this is what I'm talking about. Front face, smiley, warm, friendly, not side selfies or random selfies you just post there. No, right? She has passport for Zimbabwe too. Her introduction is good. There's a professional tone to her profile. Look, SEC qualified UPE with 7 years experience in special needs care, right? Is instantly credible, right? And she added keywords like CPR certified, meal prep, early childhood education, and that is algorithm bait, right? Yeah, it's good for the algorithm. It keeps her profile at the top when families search for specific things, right? And then her profile also has a clear structure. There are bullet points, and there's her introduction is structured in paragraphs, right? Yes, as you can see here, right? So you can take your time to pause and read so you can get the idea of what I'm talking about. Yeah, everything is complete. See her availability, her table. It shows that she's not going to be available, or her working days rather will be Monday to Saturday and not on Sundays. Um, yes, it shows her preferences, her lifestyle, her languages, everything is complete. That's that for the profiles that gets hired, the profiles that families fight for. Don't forget to grab my swipe worthy UPE profile kit, and it's free, right? There are fill in the blank bios for newbies and pros. There's a photo checklist, which deals with smiling headshots, action shots, hobby pick. There's a 20 power word, which can help a lot. For example, attentive, cultural curious, CPR certified, that can help with SEO and algorithm. The link to my swipe worthy UPE profile kits, my free swipe worthy UPE profile kits, is in the description below. And final tip, guys, families stalk your social media. So please, please, and please clean up your Instagram or any social media you have. And please, no club pictures, right? Don't forget to download the template, like this video if it helped, and comment Japa Queen. I'll DM you 5 families hiring now. So go get that international grow obsessed.